Hey there, this is Mr. Thomas. I want to take a look at the model, make sure we have a good model, a model that seems to really fit the data well for the Bobcat endowment model. And then I want to make sure that we answer the question that we set out to answer, which was, are they going to make the target that they had set for themselves? So first of all, let's work some sliders and make sure that we can get to a reasonable starting point here. Let's see, it seems like it isn't high enough, so I'm actually going to slide it up a bit. I'm just going to pick, let's see, so I'm just going to move up to 0.5 just for a starting point. And then I'm also going to scale vertically to make sure I get to a reasonable spot vertically. I feel like I'm getting close there. I'm actually going to move it up just a little bit more. As you can see, this is really, I'm just trying to make this seem like it fits. And that seems pretty good right there. So the curve seems to be going pretty well through the points. I'm actually going to move the growth up there just a little bit. There we go. So now it seems like it's passing through almost every point. There's one point that really is above it and another one that's below. But it's at least going close enough to each point that it's going through the dot that represent the point that that the data represents. So now I want to see if it's going to make it to the target line. So I'm actually going to create a line for me to look at, y equals 15. So this horizontal line then is the target, and they're trying to get there by x equals 13 because the data started in 2008. And the target time is 2021. That's 13 years. So this is the point that they were trying to get to, but the curve is actually getting there more quickly. As a matter of fact, if I evaluate this, this was h of x. So h of 13 is 17.4. So that means that they are on track right now to make it to $17.4 million in their endowment. That means that I can feel confident with this model that they are on track for reaching their goal. So it's a good model. It's able to answer the question. And so I think we're done here.